You've bought a smart washer before, and 3 months later it squeals, walks across the laundry room, or smells like mildew. Most shoppers chase cycles and app features. The real winners solve balance, drainage, and motor wear, the quiet engineering that keeps a machine running for years. A washer that gets those basics right will save you repairs, ruined clothes, and replacement headaches. In this video, I'm breaking down the only 4 washers you should buy in 2026, highlighting key features, real-world performance, and exactly what makes each one worth your money. Links are in the description. Products are in the pinned comment. Let's get into it.
This video is presented you by TrustyPicks.
Number 4. Compact Front Load 2.2 to 2.5 cu.ft Partment Washer. The final washer earns its spot not by being the biggest or most powerful, but by doing compact laundry properly in spaces where most machines are compromised. This is the class of slim front-load washer designed for apartments, stacked installations, and tight utility rooms, yet built with the same core principles as a full-size premium front-loader. Its motor is still a direct drive or belt-driven high-efficiency unit, but scaled to match the smaller drum, and the control system is calibrated to prioritize balance, careful ramp-up to spin speed, and protection of the suspension. The drum is narrower, yet the perforation pattern and paddle geometry are optimized to keep even small loads moving. There are fewer dead zones where fabrics can just ride the wall and avoid real agitation. Because these machines often sit in closer quarters, next to living rooms, bedrooms, or closets, noise control is critical. The cabinet uses thicker panels, strategic insulation, and well-tuned dampers that keep vibration and airborne noise down, even when the drum is spinning near its top-rated speed. Drain and venting paths are carefully designed to reduce moisture retention, which is vital in compact spaces where air circulation is limited and mold risk is higher. For smaller households, couples, or city apartments, the key advantage is that this washer feels like a scaled-down version of a serious machine, not a flimsy compromise. It will wash a few days' worth of clothes, bedding in smaller sets, and everyday garments reliably, without rattling the walls or demanding constant babysitting. That quiet competence is exactly why it shows up so rarely in service logs and owner complaint forums compared with the usual budget compact units. Number 3. High-efficiency front-load family washer with true 5+ cu.ft capacity. The third washer on this list targets large households that run multiple loads a week and need a machine that can handle volume without turning into a maintenance nightmare. It uses a high-torque, electronically controlled motor with a wide usable speed range, allowing it to execute slow, saturated tumble phases, intermediate extraction spins, and final high RPM cycles with precision. The drum itself is deeper and wider than mid-range models, but the manufacturer counterbalances this with a more substantial bearing assembly and a reinforced outer tub, reducing flex and stress at high speeds. Inside, the drum design favors gentle but effective lifting. Pronounced lifters move big masses of laundry up and drop them through the wash liquor, maximizing contact between water, detergent, and fabric. This washer typically integrates advanced load sensing logic, but the key is that the software is tuned conservatively. When it detects imbalanced loads, it spends time redistributing rather than forcing a full-speed spin on a badly loaded drum. That behavior dramatically reduces the classic front-load problems of cabinet walking, suspension fatigue, and premature bearing failure. Its door seal design also matters. Carefully angled channels, drain paths around the gasket, and a high-flow drain pump give residual water fewer places to pool, which greatly reduces the risk of persistent mildew smell when owners use even basic cleaning routines. With a built-in heater or at least strong hot water integration, this washer can run true sanitizing cycles and more effective hot washes for linens and allergy-sensitive households. For big families, the combination of capacity, robust drive system, stable suspension, and sensible control logic is what keeps complaint rates low and owner satisfaction high. Number 2. Workhorse Top-Load Agitator Washer. No-nonsense 3.5 to 4 cu.ft class. This second washer earns its place because it deliberately leans into the classic top-load formula and focuses on rugged simplicity rather than chasing every new feature trend. At its heart is a traditional vertical axis design with a central agitator and a straightforward mechanical drivetrain. The motor and transmission are built to tolerate repeated heavy loads, and the control system uses solid-state timing rather than depending heavily on convoluted software. That combination means fewer complex parts, fewer sensors that can misread conditions, and a wash action that is predictable and easy to understand. The agitator's fins are shaped to roll clothes through the water column rather than thrash them violently in one spot, and the tub's sidewall geometry encourages fabrics to circulate in a vertical loop, which is a big part of why cleaning performance stays consistent across jeans, uniforms, and workwear. Because the tub is not constrained by front-load door seals, this washer can fill to higher water levels when needed, which is still valuable for heavily soiled items and for people who prefer a more traditional soaking action. The suspension system is rugged rather than delicate, tuned to manage minor imbalances without shutting down at the first sign of a wobble, which cuts down on aborted cycles. This machine does not pretend to be whisper quiet or ultra-efficient in every single mode, but it is built to keep washing without drama, no complicated pump tricks, no fragile door lock systems, and a lid mechanism that you can use thousands of times without fear. For households that prioritize durability, straightforward operation, and easy servicing over fancy drum lighting and app control, this top loader is exactly the kind of machine that avoids the complaint pile year after year. Number 1. Premium Front Load 4.5 to 5 CU.FT Class Washer. This first washer sits in the sweet spot of premium front load design, big enough to handle serious family loads, but not so oversized that it needs gimmicks to justify its existence. It uses a direct drive motor mounted directly to the drum, which eliminates the belt and pulleys that traditionally wear, stretch, or squeal over time. That direct drive also gives the control system very fine authority over drum speed, so wash cycles can blend slow, gentle tumbles for delicates, with aggressive, high RPM spins for towels, and bedding without hammering the bearings to death. Inside the stainless steel drum, carefully profiled paddles lift and drop the laundry in a controlled pattern, maximizing mechanical action while still protecting fabrics from snagging or over-twisting. The perforation pattern in the drum walls is designed to move water quickly without leaving heavy, waterlogged pockets, which shortens spin time and reduces the strain on the suspension. Speaking of suspension, this class of washer uses a robust multi-damper system and heavy concrete or composite counterweights to keep the cabinet stable at high speeds, which is why it stays put even in smaller laundry closets. Crucially, the control board's logic is tuned to prioritize balance. It will redistribute a load instead of ramming it into a spin at full speed, and that translates into far fewer walking machines and far longer bearing life. Add in a proper high-speed spin, a real heater for boosting wash temperature, and drain pathways designed to clear suds and residues, and you get a washer that consistently cleans well, spins dry, and avoids the constant minor failures that plague cheaper front loads. So, that wraps up our list of the best 4 washers. If this video was useful to you, kindly click the thumbs up button. Which one are you going to pick? Describe your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an updates. Everyone who had come this far, I'm hoping to see you in the next video.